At Midland Exteriors, we've installed hundreds of replacement windows in Mission Hills, Kansas. And over the years, we've learned exactly what holds up, what wears out, and what gives you the best long-term value. So how long will your new windows last? Honestly, that depends on two key things: the material and the quality of the installation. Vinyl windows often start out looking great, but they eventually warp, fade, or lose their seal. Wood windows can last a while, but only if you keep up with constant maintenance, like painting, staining, and sealing. If you want real durability without all the upkeep, fiberglass windows in Johnson County, Kansas are the clear winner. The fiberglass windows we install are built to last 30 years or more. They don't crack, peel, or warp with changing temperatures, and they require very little maintenance over time. At Midland Exteriors, we specialize in Infinity fiberglass windows by Marvin, a top-tier manufacturer known for over a century. But material isn't the whole story. Proper installation is just as important. That's why at Midland Exteriors, our process is detailed and intentional. We don't rush through jobs. Our team takes the time to prep correctly, install with precision, and finish cleanly. That way, your windows perform like they're supposed to for decades. For high-quality replacement windows in Mission Hills, Kansas, trust the crew that knows how to make them last. Give Midland Exteriors a call today, and we'll get you a free estimate.